Hello everyone, this is Shobita. Welcome to the first episode of Industry Talks presented by Udma. So, in this podcast series, we are going to have quick chats with UPVC fraternity members. Actually, we are going to cover everyone associates from profile, hardware, sealants, glass, steel, software, gaskets, installation material, and UPVC door and window manufacturers. Basically, aiming to connect entire UPVC industry because Udma thinks that is how our industry can become stronger. So, today on our first episode, we have with us Mr. Faraz Akil, Business Head, Aluplast India. So, welcome Faraz sir, and thank you for being the first guest of our series.
Thank you, Shobita. Thanks for inviting me to be the first guest at the series, and I'm really excited to this for this podcast that you have started for Udma. It's a wonderful way of interacting indirectly with everybody across the industry. Thanks for organizing this.
It's a pleasure, sir. So, I have got a few questions for you here. Shall we start, sir?
Sure, why not? Please go ahead.
After the adverse effect of COVID pandemic on our industry, how is your current situation at the moment and what challenges are you facing currently?
See, the pandemic hit us badly. Very well speaking, that we were hit health-wise, supply-wise, logistical-wise. But after the impact was there, but by the grace of God, we are doing wonderfully well now. Sales are good, team is working very well, and our partners across India are achieving milestone after milestone in terms of generating business. So overall, it's a feel-good scenario at the moment, and we hope that we'll carry it along in a long way till the end of this year. See, the challenges started with the health of the people down in the production plant when we had this COVID pandemic second wave. Uh, the logistics was disturbed, supplies were disturbed, production was disturbed, and apart from that, raw material pricing is the biggest challenge that we are facing right now. For us, the well-being of our employees was paramount, so that was taken care of, and we decided to, keep the supplies on hold and take care of our employees first. But now we are being very cautious and careful about it after the second wave. So that has been taken care of. But at the moment, it is the raw material pricing that is hitting us, or maybe the entire industry, very badly. And it's a global phenomena, and it is not only us, but the entire industry that is affected by it. Our team is working very hard, and we have by far been successful in overcoming the supply issue to an extent, and I think our sales and we are moving ahead in India. It speaks a lot about the successful business that we had after the second wave.
So, what is your forecast for next year, presuming there will be no COVID third wave?
It's a very difficult question, Shobita, to forecast what's going to happen next year.
And it's
But
slightly
for sure, we are business people, and we have to
be positive.
really talk about all the positives, and chart a growth for future. And what we see right now, and it's again a very interesting phenomena that we have seen over this period of this year, and even my sales team confirms it, that we see customers focus gradually shifting towards performance and quality rather than the price of a UPVC window.
Yes.
So if this trend continues, we are sure of increasing our sales by at least 15 to 20% next year. And if this trend continues, then it's a very good sign even for the entire industry. Because if people become more quality conscious, and they are focused about the functionality and the performance of a window rather than the price, then the industry is definitely bound to grow in the right direction.
So, what are your expectations from UDMA? I mean, steps you think UDMA could take to help UPVC industry?
See, I consider UDMA as a flagship body representing us, the entire industry, auxiliary industries like hardware suppliers, glass as well coming into play. So it's a flagship body which is responsible for promotion of UPVC doors and windows across India. And we also, and it is all about educating the customers about the benefits of UPVC windows rather than using any other systems available in the market. As an industry and as UDMA, we should also focus on creating benchmark on performance and functionality of UPVC doors and windows. We believe that we still have a long way to go, and the market size can be expanded manifold with the right approach from the industry as well as UDMA. And that is going to be really quality. If we focus on creating benchmarks, work on clear specifications for producing profiles or for fabricating and installation of windows, that is going to really help the entire industry, because for end user, that is what matters. If a window, even if we manufacture the right profile of a right size, of a right thickness, if it is not fabricated in the right way or not installed in a right way, the entire exercise goes for a toss. So it is the overall thing, and this is where the industry and UDMA can play a leading role.
You are absolutely right, sir. And it's my pleasure to share with you that UTMA is already working in this direction by creating fabrication guidelines, installation guideline, working on creating standards with BIS, hosting awareness webinars, etc. And we're gonna do a lot more in future. Sir, how would you contribute to UDMA and the UPVC industry?
See, Aluplast is an old name. I think we are almost 24, 25 years old in this industry across the world. And we as a global player can contribute with whatever resources that we have available over here in India as well as across the group. And we can bring in the knowledge that we have about doors and window manufacturing, about the profiles, about the systems that are available. And that will definitely contribute to the overall growth of UDMA as well. And as you said, you are already working on different guidelines and manuals, and this is where Aluplast can play a good role in contributing whatever knowledge base we have from our side. I believe we are already doing it since last almost 6-7 months. We have been really active.
Yes, sir.
And at every platform, I have always assured that Aluplast will definitely contribute in whatever way we can to developing UDMA and as well as the industry in India.
Thank you so much, Faraz sir, for taking out time and sharing the thoughts with us.
Pleasure is always mine. Thank you so much, Shobita. Thanks for calling me.
So today, the best thing that we learned from Mr. Faraz is if the focus will be on quality rather than price, then the industry will automatically upgrade. This is Shobita Mishra signing out, and see you in the next episode of Industry Talks.